Simran, you are appearing for probationary officer or clerks.
Sir, probationary officer.
So, what is the degree you have studied, please?
So I have done MBA in finance and marketing.
Acha. And I think you had one mock interview earlier, or this is the first one for you?
Sir, this is the first one, but I had an interaction with you.
Interaction. That is okay. Your interview date
Yes,
has come,
yes, sir, it's on 6th of October.
so you can have one more date if you want, so that it will sharpen your skills. Do you want one more date, or is
Yes, sir,
it?
you have already given me 2nd
Acha.
October for the second. Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Badhiya, badhiya. Very good. So, Simran, can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir, sure. So, first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Simran Verma, and currently I'm living in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. I recently completed my MBA from Finance and Marketing from Prestige Institute of Management and Research, Indore. Prior to my MBA, I have done Bachelor of Commerce for my graduation from Jivaji University. I've done all my schooling from Central Board of Secondary Education. During my 2 years of MBA, I have got opportunity to do internships, and I have done two internships in two different firms. First, as a sales and marketing intern in ULEAD, and the second as a finance and marketing intern with Agile Capital Services. Recently, during my fourth semester, I was working as associate sales manager with Bright Chance Tech Private Limited. Other than that, I have done a lot of societies. I have been a part of that too. And for my extracurriculars, I have volunteered in an NGO, which is Come NGO in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So that is all about myself, sir.
Can you please tell us about your family?
Yes, for sure. So my father is a businessman. We have a gold and diamond jewelry shop in Sarafa Market. My mother is a homemaker, and my brother is currently pursuing his BBA from ITM University, Gwalior.
Good. Now, in your introduction, you were mentioning about the internships and all. Please tell me
Right.
one by one the three internships. I mean, two internships and one job you had. Please explain
Okay.
about what were you doing there? What did you learn there? Please tell us.
Okay, sir. So in my internship with ULEAD, I was working as a sales and marketing intern. So ULEAD was an edtech firm where they were selling skill-related courses, and my role there was to speak with the leads they were providing me and to sell the courses to them. My internship period was of 45 days, and in those period, I have pitched around 20 to 25 prospects, and I was able to make sale of 11,000. So that was my work with ULEAD as a sales and marketing intern.
You said
In my other
you
internship,
said
yes,
11,000 rupees or 11,000 numbers.
it's 11,000 rupees because there were minor courses of around 1,500, 1,200. That was there.
Acha, acha, acha. No, but
Yes, sir.
your number doesn't tally. Na? You said I made success for 20 25 accounts. And even if
No, no,
one,
sir.
uh,
I
how much?
spoke with 25 prospects
Acha,
and I
acha.
was able to do a business of 11,000. That's what I'm saying.
But I feel it appears to be very low. Na? I know it is very difficult to convince people to
Yes, sir.
come. And unless they are, what is the type of programs they were conducting that company?
Sir, like public relation and financial literacy, those kind of skills they were saying.
Financial literacy के लिए what is the अच्छा अच्छा educating people about investment and all.
Right, sir. Right, right. And they were very small courses, like for a week or for 3 days. Those were short courses.
अच्छा, how they were conducted? They were conducted in person through or through internet,
Sir, online mode.
online mode. Was it
Yes.
a recorded programs or independent programs?
So those were recorded programs.
Oh, just like a book being printed and selling a book. The video classes are made and then that is being sold to people. That's all.
Right, sir. And at
That,
the end, they were giving assessment that you have to complete, and then they will provide you the certificate.
Acha, acha, acha. At the end, they will have to fill some forms, and then if they clear the test, they will be given a certificate.
Right, sir, right.
Acha, acha, good. Is this type of education successful? There is no interaction between the teacher and the taught. Do you think that may be one of the reasons why not many people are joining here?
I think, sir, it's better when you are connecting with a teacher one on one. But in some time, like if you're a working professional and you just want to get some knowledge, and it's difficult. If you go on a YouTube, you have to search differently on different channels. So you find it easy that I'll invest 1,200 or 1,500 rupees and I'll get classes for 3 days and I'll clear the doubts I'm having in a particular thing. So for those kind of professions, it's good, but it's not something I'll prefer on my own.
Correct. That's good. What about the second one?
So second internship, I worked as a finance and marketing intern with Agile Capital Services. That was also a sales related role where I had to sell the policies. In starting initial days, they gave us training of 1 month in which they told us about salary slip calculation. They told us how insurance sector works. They let us made presentation and present them. And after that, they told us the policies and we have to sell those policies.
You were selling life policies or general insurance
So
policy?
life policies.
Can you tell me the very good life policy you have come across, which is beneficial from the angle of the customer?
So there's one plan which is ULIP plan by ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Currently, it is very trending, and most of the people are going for it because it is very beneficial. You have to initially invest 50,000. After that, you have to invest 50,000 in 1 year, and you get a lot of good return from it. Even if you like the period there is really short, so you can get the policy and your premium things. Hello,
Mm. Tell me.
what happened?
Hello, Simran. I am listening to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, actually,
I
my
was
internet.
no, no. I was
Okay.
able to listen. I was listening you properly. You were telling about they taught us for one
ULIP
month,
plans, sir.
and then what
Yes,
what
sir.
what is that plan? You live plans.
ULIP plan of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So I'm
Mm.
not very much aware about it, but one of my friend works in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, and only he told me that this plan is very much in trend, and claim settlement ratio of this plan is very high.
No, no, I would
It's
suggest
around
even
97%.
even now it is not late. I would suggest you are talking to your friend and try to know at least one policy which is doing very well and the features of that policy.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will.
Similarly, because both the interns you have only had, say, marketing type of this one. So if you know about it very well, that will be good. They will be able to appreciate it very much. And you are a finance student.
Right, sir.
What what did you tell about your father? What is he?
So we have a shop in Sarafa Market. He's a businessman. We have a gold and diamond jewelry shop.
Oh God, golden diamond. Super, super.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. That day when I was talking to you, I was making fun of you by
Yes,
asking.
sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah. Oh, now what is the price of gold today?
So it's 61,000 for 10 gram.
10 gram, 61,000.
Right, sir.
Are you mentioning about 24 carat or 22 carat?
So 24.
Uh, no, but I would normally 22 carat is only famous because we can't do anything with 24 karat gold. We can't make jewels and all. So the one that is very famous is 22 carat. So you please try to know the 22 carat gold price and tell that in an interview and also mention them that it is 22 carat. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, we'll do that.
that will be good. So diamond, its price also is quoted in, I think it is not appearing in newspapers, huh? Diamond.
No,
Uh,
sir. No.
no. Why it is not appearing in newspapers?
I don't know about that.
Ask your daddy, he will tell. And if I'm wrong, correct me. It may be because the diamonds are all of different qualities, or the purity
Okay.
of the diamond, etc., it differs from one piece to another. So it is hardly a standardized one. Whereas a standard 22 karat gold means 22 karat for everything. 24 karat means 24 karat for everything. That's same. Whereas here uniform, it is not possible. That is the reason. And in fact, there are cheats who can show the glass also as diamond and then sell it also. It's very dangerous trade. Oh, Baba. Both very, very problematic trade, And above
Okay.
all, regarding diamond, there is a concept prevalent in South India that it brings luck, it brings misfortune. Both, some diamonds will bring you fortune, some diamonds may,
Okay.
yeah, this type of thinking is there. Some sort of this type of gossip will be there with you because you are a daughter of a gold merchant.
Okay, sir.
Next we go to banking. Can you tell me which bank you have an account?
So I have my account in Canara Bank.
Canara Bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between our Canara Bank and Federal Bank?
So Canara Bank is not more digitalized. Like I'm using their app that is Canara Bank 21. That's the name of the app, and it's very difficult to even look at the proper balance you have in your account. Like in on the text message I'm receiving that I have a certain money, like it's 70,000 in my account, but on the app it's showing me just 63,000. So these kind of legs happen, and one more thing, their ATMs doesn't work well. Like most of the time they don't have sufficient fund in the ATMs, and the passbook printing machine, that is also a very difficult thing to use for the Canara Bank. And those things does not happen with Federal Bank, especially in the digitalized. If we see the digitalization side, Federal Bank is much more digitalized than Canara Bank.
Good. No, but one thing, I never expected this answer. I expected an answer. Canara Bank is a public sector bank, whereas Federal Bank is a private sector bank. That is
Okay, sir. That
that
I
it's
knew, but I did not
that
mention.
itself will do. But this type of answer has to be given where they are asking what are the problems you are facing in Canara Bank. What is your experience in Canara Bank? If they ask like that, you can tell this. Otherwise, this answer is not a right answer. And also nowadays in Federal Bank, they are asking a question. Tell us some specialities of Federal Bank. What are the unique features of Federal Bank? When they ask this question, how will you fill it up?
So I have not.
You have to
Uh,
you have to prepare for it.
yeah.
Like you can tell about the latest in say improvements made by them. Some say what is that? Yeah, WhatsApp WhatsApp loan and all that. They have something they have introduced. If you go through their website, you will know, and go through the press releases, latest press releases. From there, you can know and then tell. These are the improvements they have made. And also in our say WhatsApp page itself, some some candidates are posting some details now and then. Some. When did you join our group? Only
So
recent.
2 days ago.
That's why you may not know. Because, about 3 days back, a boy has posted about digital loans. Our innovations, digital loan, online account, opening, Lotsa, scan and pay. Likewise, they have told digital innovations can be told as a unique feature. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then that WhatsApp loan can be told as a unique feature. Likewise, and you can also tell about the awards which they have received recently. For that, you should go through the website and get to know details. Okay. Please prepare for
Okay.
this question. See, prepare for the question number 1. Tell me about Federal Bank. In which case you can tell briefly when was it started, who was responsible for it, where is the headquarters, what is the number of branches, what is the number of ATMs, and stop with that. If they still give you time, tell as on June 2023, the total deposit was this much, total advances this much, total net profit this much, then GNPA percentage this much, NNPA percentage this much, the capital of Federal Bank is this much, and then the share price of Federal Bank now in the market is this much, market capitalization is this much, that much you can say and keep it. Then if they still allow you time, you can tell about the awards they have received, the corporate social responsibility activities which they are performing. Understand?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So you may have to prepare 3 or 4 type of answers for Federal Bank. Because sometimes they ask like this, tell the unique features of Federal Bank. Tell me something that you, not a regular history and all, special features of our bank, something like that they ask. So in that case, you should go by the current news and then speak also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, what is banking? Hello. What is banking?
Hello.
What is banking?
So banking or bank?
What is a bank?
So bank is a financial institution which accept deposit from public, and it also give loans and advances to the public and earns interest on it.
Good. You told very nicely, very happy. What are the para-banking functions done by banks?
The para-banking functions are not the traditional banking functions, but it includes insurance, mutual funds, and other activities like demat accounts through which banks earn.
Now you can also tell about, say, bank assurance services, mutual fund products, wealth management services, providing of locker facilities, issuing of letter of credit, issuing of guarantees. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
So what are the sources of income for the bank?
So banks earns from the interest from the loans they have given to the businesses and as well as to the individuals for their personal uses or for the business use. And secondly, it also earns from the rent which it get from the locker. And
You must tell that from the service charges on, say, various services rendered by banks, including commission on bank assurance, then mutual fund products, then wealth management services. Plus, banks invest in government securities, they get interest from them. Banks also invest in shares of other companies, so they get dividend from them also. समझ गया?
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, good. You are a finance student. How can we decide that a person deserves to be given credit by us? What are the things that will make you decide, yes, we can give loan to this person? How will you decide? What happened? Simran? Simran, are you there with us? Line, internet is not there. Simran ji,
Hello.
your
Hello.
internet is not coming correctly. Disconnect होता है ना क्या?
Sir, it was Wi-Fi and power cut happened, so I came with the data now. Can you repeat?
No, I said so 1 minute. What was the question I was asking? I was asking a very interesting question. What was the question I was asking, Shamiksha?
Sir, you were asking the question that what are the things we have to consider while giving a loan to anyone?
Super. That's it's a very tough question, but first time I have asked this. Please tell me, Simran Verma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, sir, the things that we need to keep in mind is first the employment of the person, like how is he employed or not? What is his annual income? Second, we can check if he's already having any debt or not. Third thing, we can check his CIBIL score, which is his credit score, his history of repayments of loans, or if he have taken any. And yeah, that is what we can check. And if we are giving secured loans, we can check that if he has something to lend to the bank.
Not lend. Something to offer as security to the bank.
Offer us. Okay, yes, sir. Offer.
But the answer expected from you was different because you are a finance student. This is the normal answer a Bachelor of Arts, say some English graduate can tell this point. But you as a finance person must have brought to me the details about balance sheet analysis, the analysis of balance sheet, ratio analysis, then like that, those points also you must have brought and told. And apart from that, you must have laid emphasis on credit report, credit ratings, credit report. This
Sir, I
point also,
mentioned that.
and no, you told about that CIBIL score,
Yeah,
but
credit score.
but credit ratings by companies, credit ratings of companies, and market reports, and analysis of balance sheet. That is what you omitted. That is very important.
Analysis.
That's
Okay,
very
sir.
important. Otherwise, your
I'll write
answer
it.
was good, very nice. Now, some few general knowledge questions. Who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh?
Governor of Madhya Pradesh.
You are from Madhya Pradesh, na?
Yes, sir, from Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
I don't
That
know, sir.
that is. Pardon. What is the name? Not sure. You don't
No, sir.
know? Acha, who is your finance minister, MP? Perhaps you are not prepared about that. See, people going for interview must be thorough with names of union ministers, their ministries, then the name of prime minister, president, vice president, speaker, then anything unique office like say Chief Justice of India, Chief Comptroller and Auditor General of India, then Chief Election Commissioner, then what is that, information commissioner, anything that is only one post, then say chief of defense staff, ये सब आपको पढ़ना है, पढ़ के मन में रखना है. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. I'll write it.
How many deputy governors are there in Reserve Bank?
So four?
Correct. But you said four, but you were asking as if you are not certain
No, no,
about
no,
it.
these are four. I was confused.
You should say four. Very good. Can you name at least two of them?
So there's one MD Patra
Correct.
and Swaminathan.
Swaminathan Janaki Raman. Then
Janaki Ram.
there is one Rajeshwar Rao, another one Rabi Sankar. Anyhow,
Okay, sir. Okay.
thank you so much. Best wishes. Yours was how many marks do you expect out of 10 for this interview?
Sir, I don't think it went well.
Pardon? I don't think
No, sir. I was not well prepared.
you are not well prepared. No,
Right.
फिर भी कितना मार्क एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे 10 को?
So five?
No, I will give you 8. no problem. But still, I would like you to score 9.5 so that you can get selected. Understand?
Okay, sir. I'll prepare till the next one.
In fact, the expectation from you people like you is very high.